Hi guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you on how you can enable and disable services on your restaurant's page or your restaurant's website. So first we need to log into your Mucho Taste account. Okay, and click manage. And on the left side corner, you can see this image here with like it's like a star. This is the settings. So just click that and you can see on the next word here or the next part on the system, it says services. In here, you can enable and disable any services that you would like for your restaurant's page. So, for example, you wanted to disable this delivery option, just click that and just click this option here, this red one. So if the color red is gone, then that means that this option is disabled. So make sure to always click save so the changes will be saved. All right. So let's check to make sure that that delivery option service is really has been really disabled to or to your restaurant's page. All right. Let's click an item. There you go. So only the pickup service is available. The delivery service option has been disabled. And for us to be able to add or enable it again, just go back to the settings, services, and choose deliveries. And just click this again. It should show the red color again. So that means it's you have chosen this you have chosen to enable it. So just click save again. All right, and it should be there now. Just refresh it. Okay, let's choose an item. There you go. All right, so that's basically it on how you can enable and disable the delivery services that you would like for your restaurant. All right, thank you so much for watching.